Top 5 whispers of the wild that bring nature's calm to life. 1. Experience the soothing sound of flowing water, a gentle whisper of the wild's heart. 2. Rustling leaves create a peaceful melody, connecting us with nature's quiet rhythm. 3. Watch gentle animal movements, a dance of life in the serene wilderness. 4. Feel the soft breeze carrying nature's secrets through blooming wildflowers. 5. Sunlight filtering through trees paints a tranquil scene of harmony and peace. Embrace nature's whispers and find your calm. Like and subscribe for more tranquility.